Hello everyone, welcome to Technia TV. I Jyotsna, faculty of MBA department from Technia Institute of Advanced Study. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic auction sale. First of all, what is auction sale or what is sale? A sale by auction is a public sale where goods are offered to be taken by the highest bidder. In the case of sale by auction, number 1, where goods are put for sales in lots. Each lot is prime facie deemed to be subject of a separate contract of sale. The sale is complete. Auctioneer announces its completion by the fall of the hammer, and until such announcement is made, any bidder may retract his bid. Number 3. A right to bid may be reserved expressly by or on behalf of the seller, and where such right is expressly so reserved, the seller or any one person on his behalf may bid at an auction. Where the sale is not notified to the subject to the right to bid on behalf of the seller, it shall not be lawful for the seller to himself to employ any person to bid at such sale. Number 5. The sale may be notified to the subject to a reserve price. Number 6. If the seller makes use of pretended bidding to raise the price, the sale is voidable at the option of the buyer. According to Badgeman, sales by auctions are of 3 kinds. Number 1. Sale without reserved, where the employment of a puffer renders the sale voidable. Number 2. Sale with the condition that the highest bidder shall be the purchaser. Number 3. Sale with the right expressly reserved to bid by or on behalf of the seller. An auction with reserve is one where an upset price is fixed below, which the auctioneer refuses to sell or reserves to himself the option of buying. An auctioneer is said to be sold to the highest bidder, whether the same bid be equivalent to the real value or not. Section 64 prohibits secret bidding or the use of pretended bids or the employment of puffers on behalf of the seller to raise the price at auction. Even when the sale is with the reserve or subject to an upset price, only the seller or, in his absence, only one person acting on his behalf may bid. If more person than one bid to the knowledge of the seller with a view to enhance the price, the buyer can avoid the contract, treating the sale as fraudulent. On the other hand, an agreement among intending bidders not to compete against each other with a view to be knocking off the articles at a very low price has not been held to be illegal. The seller can protect himself against the too low or bid by fixing a reserve price below which he will not sell. Next, what is puffer? Puffer is the person who, without having any intention to buy, are employed by the seller to raise the price by fictitious bid, thereby increasing competition amongst the bidder, while they themselves are secured from risk by secret understanding with the seller that they shall not be bound by their bids. A knockout is a combination of persons to prevent competition between themselves at an auction by an agreement that only one of their members shall bid and that anything obtained by him shall be afterward disposed of privately among themselves. Such a combination is not illegal. Dumping is the illegal act of disgusting that would be purchased from bidding or the raising the price by pointing out the defect or doing some other acts which prevent person from forming a proper estimate of the price of goods. Dumping is illegal. So I hope you understand the lecture what is auction sale. If you like this lecture, please like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.